Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. Alright, it's your girl Unique Nilo. One of my subscribers sent this picture to me and made a request that I should teach this turban. So without taking our time, I'll be teaching you how to achieve this ruffles turban design. So let's move straight to the tutorial. So the material I'll be using for this tutorial is a non-stretchy fabric. It's not stretchy at all. And the texture is like damask. I don't know what it's called, but it's a bell fabric. I got this from people selling okay. Alright, so the length of this fabric is 15 inches length by 10 inches width. I cut it two pieces. I'll be using these two pieces for the V face. Alright, if I've been watching my videos, I've shown you how to form your V face. Okay, please, if you have not seen how to get V face turban, check out my videos on my channel. You're going to see a detailed video on that. So these two pieces is what I'll be using to form the V face. Then this piece again, the length measures 25 inches length by 12 inches width. I'll be using this for the back base. This is the back of the turban base, and this is for the handle. The length is 12 inches by 3 inches width. I cut out two pieces, then I just folded this way and I used scissors to cut out this edge. So that's for the turban cap base. All right, the material I'm holding now is for the design on top. Please, I didn't want this video to be too long. That's why I didn't show how to form the turban cap base. So for this piece, it measures 60 inches length by 9 inches width. Why is 60 inches length is in case your material is 58 inches length, like the full length of your fabric. If it's 58 inches length, use it that way. It's more, if it's more than 60, use it that way. Okay, so this is your full length of your fabric by 9 inches width. So I had to hold the two. I cut out four pieces, so I'll be joining two just like this. You understand? I cut out four pieces, so just take two and join together. Take two and join together. You understand? All right, so after joining everything together, you'll be having two long pieces. I don't know if you understand me. All right, so I will fold it this way again and I sew down. So after sewing it down, you can see how it is. I'll be turning everything out. Okay, see, this video is a quick one. It's not hard, it's easy to achieve. So I'll be turning everything out and I sew the tip of the fabric after turning it out. I don't know if you understand me. So after turning it out, I'm be doing my ruffles design by doing a running stitch like this. Just watch and see the way I'll be achieving this running stitch in order to get the ruffles design. Just place your needle inside this way and you sew down. Guys, this ruffles design is a trendy. In fact, many people that know how to do ruffles, this will not be a hard one. I just had to teach this because a subscriber sent it to me. I already have many ruffles design on my channel, but I have to teach this because she said she really needs to make it for a customer. All right, so continue to form your ruffles design, and once you are done, say the turban cap base are placed on my dummy head, and I'm also through with the ruffles design. You can see the way it is. Please, when you form your ruffles design, don't drag it too much, okay? When you reach to the end of it, make sure you adjust the ruffles design so that it will touch the center of the fabric, the center of the turban, and it will touch the back of your turban. Then you're going to fold it this way again and attach it, okay? Just use your needle and thread to tack it together this way. I don't know if you understand me. I omitted a step here. I'm so sorry for that. Before tacking together like this, please fold these ruffles together. After folding it, place it on your dummy head to ensure that it touches the back of your turban, because I want this to land from the center of the turban to the back of the turban. So you're going to join it this way, and after joining it, you now place it on your dummy head. So just watch and see how I'm tacking the ruffles together, okay? Whatever you'll be doing on this, you'll be doing it on the other ruffles, on the other fabric. Remember, I cut out four pieces of the fabric, then I joined two together. Don't know if you get me. I joined two together, then this is the first two that I joined together. So the other two, you also do same thing. I don't really need to show it here. So this is the outcome of it after tacking. So next thing we'll be doing now is to place it on your turban cap base this way. So what I'll be doing now is, see this is the center of it. I just have to place my hand here, not exactly at the center. From this point, I'm going to place it, but I'll be using my pins as a guide so you will see what I mean. You understand me? Please, what I'm doing here is what you're supposed to do before tacking. I omitted that step. I'm sorry for that. Just make sure you tried the ruffles. Make sure that the ruffles goes from the center to the back. Then if it reaches, you now use your needle and thread and tack it together. Understand? After tacking it together, you now do this step. Okay? All right. So you can see it reached from that point I showed you to the back. So what I'll be doing now is you use your needle and thread, but I'm just using my pins to hold it down. So I'll explain how it looks. So after placing the ruffles design on your turban cap base, you also use your needle and thread to tack it to the turban cap base this way. You understand? So you can see the way it looks. I just placed it with my pin just for you to see the outcome. And next thing you'll be doing is use a needle and thread and do what? And tack it. Tack it this point from the center of it, this place. Tack here. Don't even understand me. You tack here, tack here, tack here. Just the center. Make sure you avoid the ruffles. No, don't go and drag the ruffles too much, because if you drag it, it will reduce the fluffiness of that ruffles. So after tacking, I will now pick up the second fabric, and you are free to adjust this way. What I'm doing here is to make the ruffles design to come out, to puff out very well. I don't know if you get me. All right, so once I'm done tacking everything, next thing you'll be doing now is to do what? This is the second one I told you. You can see I did same thing, the same tacking, the same everything. So I'll be placing it again at the center of this ruffles on top of it. Guys, it's not a must you make yours to be full this way. You can leave yours at the first, let's see, that first ruffle there is a design. If you don't want yours to be too fluffy, I don't know if you get me, you can leave it at that one layer. But the picture she sent to me is too fluffy. That thing is 2 steps. Some people can even decide to do 3 steps. It all depends on you. It's all about creativity. It's not a must you do what I did. But this is just a guide. It will give you a clue on how to get a bulky or a more fluffy ruffle. So I'll be using my pin as usual as a guide. And I'll be pinning it down to the center of the first ruffle. I don't know if you understand me. All right, so continue to adjust and place it at the center, okay? So I'll be using my pin to hold it down, just the way you are seeing on your screen. Guys, if you find this video interesting and you like what you are seeing, please just kindly support your girl by giving this a like. You can even share. And if you have questions, you can send it to, or you can send it on the comment section. And you're also free to ask your questions through our WhatsApp channel. It's on the description box. All right, you can see the point I'm showing you. That's where you tack again, as usual. Tack at the center this way, at the center of it. And once you are done tacking, you now do your adjustment, and your ruffle turban is ready. After doing all these things, guys, make sure that you do a firm tacking so it won't be pulling off. Please tack very well with your needle and thread. So once you are done doing all these things, you now use your embellishment. You can use your stones, your pearls, anything you have at hand. You can use it to add more beauty to it. And this is me showing you after tacking mine. You can see the outcome. I'm done tacking mine with my needle and thread, and this is the way it looks. So guys, thank you for staying up to this time. I love you all. What you do for me is to like and share. If you also have questions, kindly join our WhatsApp group. You can ask your questions there. The link is on the description box, okay? And if you're finding it hard to join, chat me up on this number on the screen and I'll send the link to you. Thanks for joining me to this time. I love you all. See you next time. Bye.